కబ్ స్కాట్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ క్యాంపింగ్ అండి. ఇది కబ్ స్కాటింగ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళు వన్స్ ఇన్ ఇయర్ ఫ్యామిలీస్తోనే ఇట్లా అవుటింగ్ తీసుకెళ్తారు. ఇది వచ్చి ప్రైవేట్ ఏరియా. ఇది వాళ్ళు రెంట్కి ఇస్తారనమాట. సో అందరు ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఇట్లా ఓవర్ నైట్ స్టేకి కావాల్సినవన్నీ తెచ్చుకొని ఇలా టెంట్స్ వేసుకొని ఒక నైట్ క్యాంప్ ఫైర్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ డే మార్నింగ్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడే దీంట్లో దేర్ బి లాట్ ఆఫ్ గేమ్స్. పిల్లలకి టెంట్స్ ఎట్లా వేయాలి, ఆ గేమ్స్ అన్నీ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట.
Now you got to spread more. Open it more like this. Open more. More, Karna. More. Like this. See? Yeah. There you go. Good job.
No, please.
Wait. Let me take a...
Please.
Can you change the shoes?
No.
Those are sneakers for the soccer. Nobody's playing soccer here.
Can you?
Everybody is setting up. Darvik is sitting here on the chair. And everybody is setting up their tents. You can see everything from here, isn't it, Darvik? That's very nice.
Did I chuck something on your phone? Mama.
What? There are 2 more cars coming.
Did I
Slow.
chuck something on your phone?
Yeah. Don't play because we... So I bought some snacks and some lunch. And these are our sleeping bags and everything. And look, Darvik is having nice snack here. I brought some... What is that you're having, Darvik? He drank 2 bottles of water. What is that you're eating, Darvik?
Chuck mix.
Who bought it, Darvik?
You.
Did you brush your teeth, Darvik?
Yeah.
See, that boy has a football. Do you want to go play with him? See, everybody is trying to set up all their tents and everything. And we are sitting here.
Bye.
Say hi, Darvik. Hi, Darvik. Are you enjoying this, Darvik? Where did you come, Darvik? What is this, Darvik? Can you tell? Can you give some explanation? A brief description of what you are, where you are. What is all this? Okay. What is all this?
Punch.
Tell. No, what you are doing here with the tents and outdoor here?
Camping.
Camping on what? What is this camping? Can you explain, Darvik? What is this camping? And this is for camping for today. Some egg sandwich for lunch. He didn't have peanut sandwich. Did you have, or did you throw in the car? Huh? He threw in the car. I also gave him oatmeal, which he didn't eat. Okay. and egg sandwich or some rice. Huh? Lots of egg sandwiches, bagel, peanuts, some milk, some Chex mix, napkins, juices, biscuits, everything. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. These are juices and everything. Also brought some cheese sticks to Harvey and some spoons here. Here's some cheese sticks. Darvik? Darvik. He's going crazy on the... And some cream cheese with a bagel. Darvik is doing a tent like this. Okay, now everybody is set up.
We just gotta get it before you strap it down. You strap it down yet.
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, some on it.
He's opening the sleeping bag now. He has learned how to do the tent, right, Darvik?
Yeah.
This is a small little tent.
Right now, I'd like to get all the scouts and adult leaders from the troop, and maybe as many as possible adult leaders from the pack to bring your chairs if you can, and we'll gather up right here in a little circle around the campfire. You can stand, and we'll kind of just go over everything to make sure we're ready for the start.
This is a Kavi water stop, and from here you can book all the tents. And the campfire, people around there. These for donation, not donation, for the lunch here. Tariq! Tariq, they're waiting for you, come on. Tariq! Tariq, get up! Tariq!
Color guard advance.
Feel it.
Scout salute. Pledge. I
Color guard retreat. All right. Thank you, and welcome to Camp Chantin. We're so glad you're all here today, and we're going to get started with our program. And this is actually a Scout requirement for the very first rank of Scout. How to handle the American flag, fold the American flag, take it up, take it down, the proper way to present it at the flagpole. So that's something that we do on a regular basis. Flag ceremonies are very common. Today we're going to do activities. There's 6 altogether by den. And before we get started, I want to just do a little housekeeping announcements here. I made some notes so I don't forget. So we'll go through this really quick. One of the most important things out here are the porta potties. So Scouts, please be clean and neat. A Scout is always clean, right? Guys, if you use it, use the urinal in there, put the lid up. Let's be respectful, okay? Enough said about that. We have plenty of water here. If anybody needs it, don't be shy, help yourself. We'll talk about the rotation in just a minute. I was going to talk about vehicles, but everybody's done a great job keeping their vehicle out of the campsite, so thank you for that. The day schedule is going to be activities next for a couple of hours. About the middle of that, there's going to be a Kona ice truck is going to show up. That guy's going to be here for an hour and a half, so there's no need to bum rush the truck as soon as he drives in. He'll probably park right over in this area somewhere. There'll be plenty of time to get over there. They serve pretty quick, so that'll become real welcome about middle of the rotation. We'll do the rotations. After the rotations are done, we'll have a little bit of free time, and then we got a show this afternoon that's put on by what's called a company called the Big Thinkers Society. It is a show, an educational, fun type show that they put on. This one's called the Freeze Frame Show, I believe. It has everything you want to learn about and can do.
Darvik is running there in the white shirt. He's gone there for some activity. We're going towards Darvik. He's playing some game there. This is some game they are playing. Darvik! 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 Darvik, you want some drink?
Rotation. There you go.
What happened?
Alright, so that was a really good one. That was a medium. That was a medium red.
Try to hit the target.
Yeah.
Try to hit the target.
Okay, at this time we can go ahead and rotate. Remember, we're going clockwise. Alright, be ready, Thomas. Good spot. Alright, you're still in a good spot.
Darvik, till then drink some this one, Darvik.
Come and get it. Come on, go, go, go. Thomas, you ready? Do one more.
This is another game called potato something.
Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh no. Darvick. The other way. Oh.
That was great.
Good try, guys. Good point.
That's 3 points there.
Yeah, at some point you lose.
You have to go on the arch, put in the rings.
You can grab the hula hoop. Grab that hula hoop. Grab it. And the one farther down the hill.
Good job, Darvick. They're just getting set up. It's going to take them a little while to get set up. What do you think?
Good job, guys.
Nico, get your hoops ready. Make sure they're not.
You ready?
Tango.
Ready?
Loaded. Good, Aiden. Get in there. Oh! Turn back! Turn left! Where are you going? Left arm.
Another game, third game, that they have to walk on the rope. Truck here. For the kids. Darvik! Do we have to pay? Okay, it says it's a free ice cream shop. So Darvik, which one are you picking up?
Yes.
Oh, you have to put the ice cream by yourself. You have to put the flavors there.
Yeah, I know. It also says right. That tastes good.
There we are. You're welcome. Yeah, and then you can either do it yourself or just let me know what flavor.
No, I'll do it here.
Okay, yeah. There we are.
Thank you.
No problem. For yourself or just let me know what flavors.
You're doing all the flavors, Nano? Can you do for me also? I just need the strawberry one. Wow.
Well, I just got a stick, whatever it looks like.
He's climbing on the rope. There you go. He's climbing on the rope. All the way. This is another game. They need to hit the ball there. Need to hit the potatoes there. And our potatoes there.
When you're ready. Okay. You gotta push the button.
Oh.
Wow, that one sailed a
This thing's melting. And when it's not so
meditation ride. You hit it to the pass now. And it'll be easy to push it. It is. I'm going to take it out. Release again. Oh, nice. How many was that? 2 or 3? Ready to go. Fire when ready.
I see.
Right in the center. It's hard to see. Ready to fire? Go. Fire.
Super.
Bullseyes in a row.
3 on 3, Darby.
Was that acorn?
That's a good shot. There's a bed inside the tent. That's pretty cool.
It's the only way my wife would done.
Yeah, we did too. It's hot and there's no ventilation.
Well, we're going in our tent right now.
Darvik! What happened? What happened? Darvik. Darvik, it's gonna take a long time here.
Oh, I got such a good idea. Oh my goodness. I'm a genius. Really? Oh my god.
Don't push him because it pushes all my water out.
Yeah, I'm not sure that's gonna be like a great idea. Oh no, it is. Super bad. And that's gonna catch me. That means you will learn. I got the masterpiece! I got the big brain.
What is that, Karna?
We're making a boat. Okay, wait. I need the biggest. Wait a second. I can make a second sail.
Seconds.
What about the other way? You want to? Yeah.
Alright, who's going next? Alright, go.
Oh, I got a master plan. Let's go. I stuck one in. You chop your Nathan.
Let's try. I want to get an action shot.
Alright, go.
Wind power. Dun 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 dun. Let's try now.
Alright, you've already gone, right? Alright, you had 10. You had 10. Alright, is there anybody that hasn't gone?
Nathan, have you gone?
I'm gonna.
Alright, you gonna raise 2? Careful, don't push on this.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm getting the final. Oh my god.
Rotate soon.
Yes.
You're going in it.
It's onto something here.
That's you.
Bigger boat.
Here is my final design.
There's some of it.
Pirate.
Oh, wow.
It's too much weight.
Here's
You can't pull it
pirate.
through. Alright, who has not been timed?
Wait, can I need to do a reason. That was really
No, Nathan, Thomas, Nathan,
All right.
Thomas is here.
Alright. Thomas, you going?
Nathan, you want to start the same time as Nathan?
Darvik, go!
Go.
Alright.
3.
Hang on. Just go.
There you go.
Good job. 9 seconds.
9 seconds. Two, one.
Oh no. Whoa, careful. Let's go. Go. Go.
Try mine. I'm sticking with Ted. I didn't stick with mine.
I don't even remember what I was going to say.
All right, who had 9 seconds?
Me.
Thomas?
You got 9 seconds?
Is there 2 Thomas? Okay.
It's kind of a combination of
All right, who had 10 seconds? What's your name?
I know you got Chloe now.
Darby.
It says Chloe.
Just going. I like. Okay. Who had 11, 12, 13, 14? You had what? You had 14? What's your name? You have 10? Yeah. You had a longer time. Boston C?
Wait.
Okay.
It was Boston in the Caribbean. Why you had me twice?
Guys, hey.
Oh, Bermuda's rotating. You take your boats apart and put your
I know. The sun just flew away when.
This is the last.
Very good hands. Keep them steady. Move your feet. That way you're always kind of in contact with the rope.
I'm already.
There you go. Back up just a little bit.
Tell me about it.
What grade are you in? He's got it. He can do it.
This is another game. Oh,
We've had adult men going across. It's
okay.
strong.
Stop shaking it.
Hey, Henry, Max, you guys want people shaking when you're in the middle? Yeah, that's fun.
Can you stop shaking?
Yeah, you can go. We're almost out of time.
Thomas, is it good?
Wait.
Keep going. You got it. One foot in front of the other. Quick. Keep going. You got it.
Thomas, was it fun? Thomas, is this one fun? Oh yeah, plus a lot of balance. Easy. This is doggy?
We gotta go a little further.
She's going to pass you.
Do I have to hurry up?
Well, don't rush. I don't want you to fall in. Just make sure you're going.
Give Liam some room, okay?
Oh, and I'm over the pond.
Keep both feet on.
Has someone ever fallen off this?
Just sign her up.
She's ready. We got the ninja line in the backyard.
Oh yeah, I mean you can tell she's just like zip. But Max, the bus ride was fire. Max, that bus ride was fire. Sure you don't want to take your socks off? Hang on. Only one at a time. Take your time. Just make sure you get across safely. Better to be dry than hung up on the road. Like you saw with Matthew, right? Yeah. Y'all come watch. Oh yeah. I'm gonna watch the kids. Just so somebody doesn't fall in and
Darvik, take out your shoes and carry them.
don't leave.
Darvik, take out your shoes.
Yeah, I think this guy forgot to put on his shoes. Do you just like getting your socks wet? You like having wet socks?
Yeah, dude, it's refreshing. It's refreshing.
You know you have to put your shoes back on, right?
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm going. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
come
kinda
on,
gross.
Darvik,
You
come
start
on.
taking your
Don't
socks
get your
off.
shoes wet.
That's how you get Ebola.
No, yeah, you can actually die from that, dude. There's flesh-eating amoeba in that water.
So convincing.
We're literally on the edge of Florida, dog. The water is seeping through here from Miami.
You don't want that
We're
Florida
not
water.
even close to
Have you
Miami.
ever drinking Florida water? It tastes like McDonald's Sprite.
It does. It tastes like McDonald's Sprite without the sugar.
Oh god.
Yo, you think
Oh,
we're
no.
playing? Yo, okay, so here's my plan to get revenge on Max. We get a water balloon.
Oh.
Oh, why don't you take out your
You
socks?
wanna get? Oh, dude, this would have been
They're wet.
If we slipped out, we would have died. Like, we should leave her.
I'm just smart. I'm good at running. I just gotta wash off my socks now.
Yeah, dog, that's... He's gonna put his shoes on.
Good job, Darvik. Good job.
There are kids in my country
Good
who
job.
would kill to have... Hey, who wants to supervise over here?
You fell down. Darvik!
Look at your feet.
Yeah, I'm washing it up.
You're gonna muddy it up first.
Hey!
Yeah. You're gonna give what's his name? I don't know. Principal Ball, yeah.
Oh, that's not my principal.
Well, you know what? I know Grant Rivera. He's the supervisor for Marietta School. You only get one bounce. You only get one bounce per trip. Hey, that's the kid. That's the kid right there. Okay, you're not right. No, you're not.
Nico, what you want to do? Hey, yo.
Hey, no, walk around. Hey, come back. No, just say that.
Can you call him?
Yo, man, I don't know if we're supposed to be throwing rocks in there, but...
I'm going to fish with my, he's currently eating my Alright,
Yo.
now that my shoes are
Hey,
washed off.
thoughts, kid. Other way.
No.
No, he's cleaning them up. So he's not...
Oh, he's
No,
cleaning
no.
them up?
Now you should have thought this...
Ew! You should boy fish.
You got a foot bag.
Can you pass my shoes?
Come on. Come here first.
Now you...
Can we go now at 9 o'clock?
No.
They're done, right?
No.
They're done playing. So
This
let's...
is free time.
What?
This is free.
truck tent is very nice. This is a private property, so they gave it for camping. I'm eating this puliara powdered rice. Oh my god, it's too hot outside.
Technical to be safe. I brought some things with me today that we're going to use to do these science demonstrations. And sometimes, I know you guys said you like science and you love science. You might get really excited and you're so excited you want to just like get up and run up here and grab something. But I don't want you to do that because you could touch something that could hurt you or someone else, so you could even break it. So I'm going to ask that you stay in your seated area at all times. I'm going to be moving around through the show, and so I don't want to trip over everybody if you're, like moving from here. Okay, my friend said that we could maybe use this to clean up a spill, right? Make it easier to clean up a spill. Okay, thank you for that. What do you think? Frostbite, right? It kind of looks like, what does it look like though?
No, replacing
the stuff coming off of it.
But everything.
It kind of looks like steam or smoke, right? So you might assume that it's hot, but it's actually very, 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 very cold. Now, it's so cold. I brought a friend with me today to show us how cold it is. Do you guys want to meet my friend?
Yeah.
Now we're saying something, answering a question.
Think about it for a second for me, and then let me know when you think of it, okay? Thank you for the disclaimer. He gave us the disclaimer not to eat dry ice because that's just not good for you. All right, so what can we use dry ice for? What do you think?
I put it on my hair. Dad, did you try it?
Step back a little bit. Take a couple steps back from you guys. Take a couple steps back. All right. Too close, too close. A little bit back. If you stay still, stay really still. Spread. Okay.
They're starting the fire. They're starting the fire.
Yep.
This is our dinner. Are you enjoying that week? Sit here only.
Hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. They are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights. Among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Ninth strike. Congress shall make no law abridging from the freedom of speech or press. 407 years ago, our fathers brought forth to this continent a new nation. The right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state on account of sex. Man, one giant leap for mankind.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.